Solving a linear equation with several occurrences of the variables on the same side. So I need to solve this equation for u. I always solve equations using 3 steps. The first step is to clear any fractions. I don't have any fractions in this one, so we can go ahead and skip that step and move right along to step 2. Step 2 is simplify each side of the equals. Simplify each side of the equals. So before I start solving, I'm going to look at each side of the equals and see, can I get rid of anything? Can I simplify anything right off the bat to make things a little easier for me later on? So I'm going to look at the left side first. And when you simplify, you're doing one of 2 things. If you have parentheses, you're going to distribute to get rid of the parentheses, which I don't have any parentheses, so I don't need to worry about that. And the other thing you're going to do when you simplify is combine like terms. So I look over here at my left side and think, do I have any like terms that I can combine? And I do. I have 3u and 8u. They both have u as part of the term. This one doesn't have a u, so it's not a like term with the other 2. But I'm going to combine those. So 3u's minus 8u's, or if I have 3u's but then I lose because of the subtraction 8, that means I have lost 5 more u's than I had to start with. And then I have my constant term. Equals negative 31 on the other side. And once I've simplified each side, then we're going to isolate the variable. This is where the actual solve process comes in. Isolate just means get the variable by itself. So I like to think of this as like an onion skin method, where I'm going to put a circle around the variable that I want to get by itself. It's a u in this case. And then I'm going to layer circles, kind of like an onion, how each skin or each layer of the onion just goes around what was there already, or the more inner layers. So now I'm going to draw another circle to include that negative 5. That's the next closest thing. Then I'm going to draw another circle to include that positive 9. And now I'm just going to peel away these onion layers, starting with the biggest circle, going inwards towards the center. So if I want to peel away this outer layer of the onion, I need to get rid of that 9. And right now it's a plus 9. The opposite would be subtract 9. So if I eliminate that 9, that will get rid of my biggest layer of my onion here. So now I'm going to simplify. Now I'm here, negative 5u equals, that's all I have left on the left. But over here on the right side, I have negative 40. Okay, onion skin again. Just think of layers here. I got rid of the biggest layer. Now the next layer to the inside is this one that has the negative 5. Well, this one is being multiplied, negative 5 times u. So the opposite would be to divide. So I'm going to divide by negative 5. Those will cancel. Then I simplify to u equals negative 40 divided by negative 5 is positive 8. Now I've isolated the u, I have it all by itself, and I'm down to just one number as a solution. U equals 8.